Hi, and welcome to our latest money market update. My name is David Sturm. I'm a local agent right here in Bonney Lake. I specialize in Tehaleh. Uh, Happy to have a conversation with you. If you're thinking about moving, thinking about selling, please call this number below or email me. Set up a time to chat and hopefully be your resource for all things real estate. If you're thinking about moving to the Bonney Lake, Tehaleh area, I can help you out. Most importantly, don't visit without visiting with an agent. If it's not me, use one of the many others that are around, but always use a local agent if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Bonney Lake market. And specifically to Tehaleh, there are a lot of builders here. All the builders are great, but they're not the same. Just like real estate agents, some are really good, but they're not the same. So pick one you know, like, and trust. That goes with your lender, any other professionals you deal with. Glad to help you out any way I can. But today we're going to talk about it's that time of year. It's time to buy. Home prices are starting to creep back up. Interest rates are going down. Inventory is still low. A lot of dynamics going on. What does it all mean to you? I don't know. Give me a call and we'll figure it out. Okay. So anyway, there's inventories. There's 103 homes that are active now in the Bonney Lake market. It's down significantly from last year, about 25% down. So inventory is still very low. There are just 5 homes now over $1 million in the market. There's one for $1.6 million, just north of Tehaleh. I think it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 4,100 square feet home. It's already built, brand new construction. It's on 2 acres, which is so rare. So if you're thinking about you need some acreage, some land, you're not going to find it in Tehaleh, but you'll find it in the surrounding areas. So that's kind of an interesting point. So anyway, we've got the mortgage minute coming up with the Reliable Home Team to kind of give you some idea if you should pay cash or finance your next home for those that can. And we'll get to some graphs here to see what's going on in the market. It's been a while since we looked at these, so let's take a look and see what it is telling us. So here we can see the Bonney Lake average sales price is now hovering just around that $616,000 mark. It's trending up and still down 4% from last year, but trending back up. This is why I'm telling my buyers, you got to get back in this market. If you're thinking about it, don't wait too long. And we can see what strategy works for you. But here it is in Tehaleh specifically. Again, they're trending up now for the second month in a row. Still just 2% down from last year, but still trending back up. And then we have our average days on market, obviously 100% over this time last year, but it's leveling out and going back down just a little bit, but still very much a seller's market, but leveling off there a little bit. Same thing in Tehaleh. However, the Tehaleh is up 150% from last year, up over 47 days now. So it's contributing to, well, it's hard to say what it all is. It's a combination of things, mainly some overpricing that's happening in the market. Of course, interest rates, the time of year. So days on market kind of increases this time of year anyway. But there were 13 price reductions last week here in the Bonney Lake market, mostly 10, 15, some 20, $25,000. So we still see that trend continuing. And then, of course, our mortgage rates continue to dive down. We're down to 7%. Who would have known that'd be a good thing? But they continue to trend down, so that's good news for some buyers. Obviously, your situation varies, your credit score and other factors, but that's a good sign for buyers. And the inflation rate has come down from its high of over 7%, and it's hovering around that 3.5% that we've been seeing lately. So what does all this mean to you? Like I said, I don't know. Let me know. Give me a call. We're glad to talk about it and come up with a strategy for you. Now I want to get into, here's Jody with the Reliable Home Team with our Monday Mortgage Minute. Hopefully you'll find this interesting for different ways of financing.
a couple of reasons why you may want to finance a portion of your home purchase versus just paying cash. It's been said, cash is king. So you never know when maybe a business opportunity might arise, or maybe there's a need inside of your family. And having liquid reserves that you can get to right away can be very important. The second reason would be your ability to write off the interest on your home mortgage. Now, you're going to want to consult with your CPA. Everybody's situation is a little bit different from a tax perspective, but you can always pay that mortgage off. But oftentimes it's very difficult to get liquid or get access to that cash if it's all tied up in a mortgage. So those are a couple of reasons that you may want to consider financing. If you have any further questions, be happy to answer any of those mortgage related questions. We're definitely not CPAs or attorneys. We can point you in the right direction that way, but we'd love to be able to have a conversation about how we might be able to help you finance your next home.
Thanks so much, Jody. Great information, great resource. I've got other resources for you. Again, go with the person or the company you know, like, and trust. Give me a call below. Please turn on notifications. Give me a thumbs up. Send me a comment. Send me an email, text, whatever you want to do. Glad to help you out any way I can and be your resources for all things real estate if you're thinking about moving or selling in the Tehaleh market. Again, I'm not a high volume dealer, more of a concierge approach. But choose the agent that works best for you. But don't visit Tehaleh without one. All right. We'll see you then when you get here, and happy holidays.